very good morning to all. Hope all of you will be fine and healthy. So let's begin with a very important topic about geology, that is branches and scopes of geology. So to know about geology, that what is geology and what are its various scopes and what is the best scope and or branch to choose your career with. So this video covers all of that for you. So let's begin. So our first slide describes about geology. So what is a geology? Geology is very wide term and you may experience very wide definitions of it. But in simple words, geology comes from two Greek words that are geo and logy. Geo means earth and logy means history. So if you combine both of words, then geology is basic branch of science that deals with the study of earth. And if we go in broader aspects, also determines the material processes, natural hazards, and space exploration. Today, space exploration is widely covered under geology because the space scientists are experiencing and exploring many planets and their rock composition to know the value of the climate and also the future aspects of human who will end up there and make some human settlement there. So geology covers a very wide role in it. So second slide is about branches of geology. Geology is very broad subject and it covers many wide variety of branches that are interconnected to each other and help us know about things that are happening on our Earth's surface, below Earth's surface, and if we wanna know about some paleoclimate, then also we can study of it. So you can see on the screen there are a wide variety of branches. So we will move forward and discuss it one by one. So let's start. So our first branch of geology is mineralogy. So mineralogy is basically deals with the minerals, study of minerals. And what are minerals? Minerals are the basic components of rock, from which rock are made. If minerals combined, they form rock. So if we define mineralogy, so it is the offset of geology dealing with scientific analysis of minerals, chemistry, structure, physical and optical properties and its artifacts. So other branch of geology is structural geology. So structural geology basically deals with the structure that are forms on the surface of the earth or the under surface of the earth. Basically it deals with the dimensional distribution of the rock and its deformation history also. So if we take example of fold, fault and breccia and some other rock formations that are made under the earth or the on the surface of earth. So the study of these such things or the structures is called as structural geology. So it also plays a very vital role in studying about the mountains. So next branch is economic geology. So it is a branch of geology that is concerned with the earth materials that can be used for economic and industrial purpose. For example, if you are going to build a bridge, so we need stones that are the basic component of building a bridge. So these materials include precious and base metals, non-metallic minerals, construction grade stones that I discussed earlier, petroleum minerals, coal and water. So all the earth materials that are used for the process of economic development and study of it, that is comes under the economic. Other branch of geology is oceanography. To study the sea and ocean, geology makes its other branch that is termed as oceanography. So oceanography is the study of physical, chemical and biological features of the ocean, including the ocean ancient history and its current condition and its future. Petrology. Petrology comes from two Greek words, petro and logy. Petro means rock and logy means study. So basically it is a scientific study of rock that deals with their composition, texture, structure, their occurrence and distribution. And also it deals with the relation to physiochemical conditions and geologic processes. It is concentrated with the three types of studies under petrology, that are igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary. So next is geomorphology. Geomorphology is basic study of landforms, their processes, forms and sediments at the surface of earth. The study includes looking at the landscapes to work out how the earth surface processes by its natural eroding agents such as air, water and ice. So if we look in the picture, we see meandering that is caused by water, oxbow lake, and we see pedestal rock and sand dunes that are created by the wind. So next topic is paleontology. Paleontology comes from two words, that are paleo and ontology. So paleo means past and ontology means life history. So it is the study of history of life on earth based on fossils. So what are fossils? Fossils are the dead remains of plants, animals and fungi, or single celled living organism. So study of these such organisms which are preserved under the rock impressions or the rock materials is called as paleontology. So next branch is stratigraphy. Stratigraphy deals with the study of layers in tree. It describes the formation, composition, sequence and correlation of stratified layers. So basically this study widely used by archaeologists to learn about the things that happened in the past by excavating the strata. So strata is basically a sequential arrangement of layered rock, and the study of this such rock or the strata is called as stratigraphy. We know water is our one of most valuable resources. Without it, there will be no life on the earth. So to study this precious resource, there is a branch in geology called as hydrology. So hydrology deals with the study of water, its occurrence, distribution, movement and its properties under the earth or the surface of the earth. Next branch of geology is historical geology. This is a science that deals with the study of historical development of earth. It aims at the reconstruction of earth's evolutionary history and formation of general laws that govern evolution. So the study of stratigraphy and paleontology, as we discussed earlier, fall under this historical